So hello guys, so the topic today is about stoichiometry, limiting and excess reagent. So this topic is under to the chemistry for engineers. So the urea is prepared by the reacting ammonia with carbon dioxide. So ito yung equation natin. First, titingnan muna natin kung nakabalance ang equation. Since nakabalance ang ating equation guys, proceed na tayo sa question agad. First muna natin gagawin is balance. Since ang equation is already in balance na guys, proceed na tayo sa letter A natin. So, in one process of 640 grams of NH3, 640 grams of NH3 with 1,000 grams of CO2, which of the two reactants is limiting reagent? So, first is convert muna natin into mole. So, ang NH3 guys, since ang NH3 natin is equivalent to 17 grams per mole. Paano nakuha yung 17 grams per mole? Yung N natin is 14 plus ang H natin is 3 then 1. Gets guys? So 17 grams per mole. And 1 mole siya. Convert lang tayo into mole. Ang CO2 naman natin is, ang C is 12 plus ang O2 natin is 2 multiplied sa 16. So, this will be is equals to what? 44 guys. So 44 grams per mole. Gets guys? So next is that 1 mole. After nyan guys, nagko-convert lang tayo ng mole is 37.65 mole of NH3. And yung isa is 640 times to 1 all over 17 is 37.65. While dito sa isa, 1,000 times 1 all over 44 is 22.73 mole of CO2. So, after natin ma-convert silang dalawa, guys, gagamitin natin sila para malaman kung sino yung limiting reagent. So, NH3 to. Then, yung isa, 22.73 mole of CO2 times. So, ang CO2 natin, guys, kung mapapansin nyo, ang CO2 natin is equivalent to what? 1 mole lang. Then, dito sa NH3 is dalawa. So, 2 moles of NH3. Ito yun, guys, is equivalent sa 1 mole of CO2 equals to 37.65 times to 1 half. This will be equals to what? 18.825 mole of CO2. Then dito naman sa CO2 is naglalaman ng 1 mole of CO2. And dito is convert natin into 2 moles of NH3. So, 22.73 times 2 is equals to 45.46 mole of NH3. So, para malaman sino yung limiting reagent dyan, guys. So, ganito yan. So, meron tayong 18.825 CO2 na enough siyang gamitin sa 37.65. Dito naman, mayroon tayong NH3. Kaso yung meron lang tayo is 22.73. So, ang limiting reagent is NH3. Kumbaga dito guys, meron tayong hawak ng 18.18 pesos. Then yung meron tayong nakastock na 37 pesos. Kumbaga enough siya guys. So, para mas madali, dapat palaging mataas yung banda dito, then mababa yung dito. So, the limiting reagent is NH3. So, NH3 is the limiting reagent, guys. Meron tayong 18 pesos, guys, at meron tayong nakatagong 37 pesos. So, enough siya, guys, para gamitin. Dito, meron tayong 45 pesos na hawak, kaso yung nakatago lang natin is 22.73. So, hindi siya enough. So, the enough, guys, is NH3. So, this will be the limiting reagent. Kumbaga siya may pinakamababa limit guys. Gets? So calculate the mass of NH2CO form guys. So the mass guys, ito yung greatest mass. So the greatest mass is 37.65, yun yung limiting natin. So 37.65 mole of NH3. Multiply natin yan doon sa calculate the mass of NH2CO form. So from the equation guys, since ano yung NH3 natin? 2. Sulat na natin dito, no? 2 mole of NH3. Times daw natin sa ilan daw yung calculate the mass of NH2CO form. Produce 1 mole of NH2. 1 mole of NH2CO form is equals to what? 37.65 times to 1 half is 18.825. 25 mole of NH2CO form. Yan yung mole natin guys. Since from the equation guys, grams ang given, so convert natin ito into grams. 18.825 mole of NH2CO form times natin sa 1 mole of NH2CO form. Ilan ito sa grams per mole? So meron tayong N na 2 plus meron tayong H na 4 and may C tayo at saka O. Kunin lang natin molar mass nila. Since ang N natin is equals to 14, 2 times 14 plus 4, ang H natin is 1 plus the carbon is 12 plus the 16. So equals to sa 60. Ang N natin is 14 plus 4. Ang H natin isa lang plus ang C natin is 12 and ang O natin is 16. So this will be equals to 60 grams per mole. Saan galing itong 14, 1, 12, and 16? Is galing siya dito guys. Gets? So this will be equals to 60 grams per mole of NH2CO. So times 18.825. So this will be equals to 1129.5 grams of NH2CO form. So this will be the answer guys for the letter B. There is A, B. So last is how much excess reagent in grams left at the end of the reactions. To get the excess guys, excess is equals to what? Total reactant minus the used reactant used. Reactant used yan. So excess equals to total reactant minus the reactant used. So the total reactant is equals to what? 22.73. And ang reactant na ginamit natin is 18.825. Since sa limiting reagent, so yung ginamit natin is 18.825. Then ang CO2 is may total na 22.73. 22.73 ang total natin minus 18.825 is equals to 22.73 minus 18.825. This will be equals to what? 3.905 mole of CO2. Since grams ang given na unang binigay, convert natin to into grams. 3.905 mole of CO2 times the C plus dalawang O. Ang C natin is equals to what? 12 plus ang 2, ang O natin is equals to what? 16. 12 plus 2 multiplied sa 16, this will be equals to what? 44. 44 grams per mole of CO2 and 1 mole of CO2. So, times 3.905 multiplied sa 44, and this will be equals to 171.82 grams per mole of CO2. Kahit grams na lang. So, 171.82 grams of CO2. Gets guys? Ito yung letter C natin. So, that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.